we started Ruby's Rainbow shortly after our youngest daughter Ruby was born, unexpectedly rocking an extra chromosome, and we decided we wanted to do something for the Down syndrome community and decided to focus on what happens in the future. So we grant scholarships to adults with Down syndrome for college, and this fun bowling tournament, which is our first one in San Diego ever. We've had 7 in where we live in Austin, but this is our first one in San Diego. It's a way that we help create awareness and fundraise and bring community together. So we're super excited. One quick thing.
Yeah.
We've granted $642,000 to over 200 people with Down syndrome across the nation, going for their dreams of higher education and independence over the last 7 years since Ruby has been born. So another huge part of what we do is showing the world just how cool and capable they are. So.
And where can people go to find out more about Ruby's Rainbow?
Ruby'sRainbow.org.
Ruby'sRainbow.org. All right, make sure to check it out, everybody. Yeah.